This is again how you'd have to look at all things in isolation in oil markets to gauge the psychology and the sentiment and positioning, because the big market position being long distillate cracks, but majority actually was long gasoline. And so the gasoline market kind of being the predicted savior of the market, or the driver of price increases this year. And the way to put that position on is buying RBOB versus Brent, buying EBOB versus Brent, and actually buying gasoline versus naphtha is a big trade that the professional oil traders like to put on. It's performed the last few years very well, and it tends to outperform naphtha so much that it's quite a clean, like nice, smooth way to capture like bullish markets and bullish gasoline. So when you have that net like long position, yes, the cracks were coming under pressure, and that was causing stop outs and the rest of it. But what was under kind of weighted in the stories that were going around about market positioning psychology was the gasoline versus naphtha. So some of the hedge funds that have stopped out and pulled out of the market, they were allegedly long these things. I think a lot of market pain has been felt from being long gasoline versus naphtha, and it's a small market naphtha, but this is what I'm saying. So you have majors, it looks like, very long naphtha into June, kind of throughout May into June, and did very well. It looks like from our data that they were kind of long naphtha cracks around 10, 9, all the way up to -7, starting to take profit, but they're aggressively taking profit. And what that did was, this $3 to $4 crack rally, per barrel rally in naphtha cracks, it squeezed that gasoline versus naphtha differential, right? Naphtha strengthening and gasoline not being so strong compressed that differential, which is like a massive pain. And then you have people stopping out on that differential. So then you've got a lot of people actually losing their jobs, not losing money on that, which then factors into having to stop out into the cracks, having to stop out of Brent, having to, so basically the domino impact of a small market like naphtha can have a shockwave over the entire psychology and general sentiment in the market.